A third practical consideration is around competency to operate in this digital environment. This requires an honest assessment at a personal level, a company level, a project level, and even at an industry or country level. The technologies, processes, and standards for digital have been around for some time now. What's missing is the general capability or competency of people in the industry to use these. If digital competency broadly existed, we wouldn't be having this conversation. The reality is that there is a significant shortage of digital skills across the sector. Many people still think that BIM is something that applies to other people, not themselves. But if you engage in any way in the planning, design, construction, or operations of buildings or infrastructure, then you're going to interact with digital information. You can't avoid it. We all need to take personal responsibility to build our own skills and those around us. In this fast-paced world of ongoing technological development and continuous change, we have to remain both student and teacher at all times. We can't be complacent with outdated knowledge that we learned many years ago. Unfortunately, when it comes to competency and associated outcomes, there is no equality. Of course, we should strive to equality of opportunity for all, but people will have different abilities or willingness or even motivations to take up that opportunity. In the 1800s, an Italian economist, Pareto, described the principle of the 80-20 rule of cause and effect. We have to recognize that 80% of the effect is going to come from the 20% in the higher end of the competency distribution. And that suggests that we should initially focus our attention on those who want to change and can change to get the digital transition over the chasm of critical mass adoption. Others will follow later, and unfortunately, some won't survive. Building competency is not about acquiring all knowledge as an individual. That's impossible. There's too much information. It's about acquiring sufficient knowledge for you to network and collaborate with others who have complementary knowledge. The most formidable people are those who are able to adapt to change.